welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Varda. In this video session, we are going to see the topic of direct marketing. So let's start. In simple terms, we can define direct marketing as any marketing that relies on direct communication or direct distribution to individual consumers rather than through a third party. So here we come to know that marketers applying direct marketing do not use or do not take help of any mass media for promoting particular product or service. Here they directly communicate with ideal customer or target customers. So this is the basic definition of direct marketing. But you might be wonder that why this topic is included in the paper of digital marketing. So there might be the reason that for collecting the information and to know the profile of target customers, here in direct marketing also marketers utilizes digital marketing or digital platforms to get that all information. So that's why they include this topic under the syllabus of digital marketing. So this is up to the basics of direct marketing. One more interesting fact related to direct marketing is that the rate of returns of direct marketing is much more greater than that of indirect marketing. Here in direct marketing, marketers personally communicate and send personalized marketing campaigns through to the customers, whereas in case of indirect marketing, a common marketing tactic is applied on mass customers, and from that they expect the expected sales. So this is the beauty of this concept of direct marketing, that here the marketers are simply targeting particular audiences and then applying various direct marketing tactics and expect the result from that marketings. So let's understand this direct marketing in more detail with the use of knowing the advantages and disadvantages of this concept. Let's first discuss the advantages of direct marketing. The first advantage is that it helps in targeting audience customers. As I have already discussed that here the marketers target particular public or particular target audience, then set their profile, then segment them into different categories, and as per their requirements and as per the specifications of products or service, they imply various direct marketing strategy. Let's understand this with one example. Imagine that I am running a coaching classes of physics subject for 11th and 12th standard. So I want to implement direct marketing here in my coaching. So what I will do, I'll simply collect the data of students of 10th standard who are going to take admission in 11th standard in next year. Then I'll know the profile of that students, then segment it into different categories and try to know that how many of them are taking admissions in science faculty or science field in 11th standard. So here I get the fixed number of or the ideal customers, and then I'll implement all my direct marketing strategies on that specific group of potential customers only. So this is the beauty of this concept, that here it helps in targeting ideal customers. The next advantage is market on a budget. Here, as I already know that I have to focus this much amount of customers, or this is my target customer, so I'll simply put my efforts on that target customers only. So here I'll not need to spend much more on marketing to market my product to other customers who might not be my potential customers. So it is very budget friendly. One more thing that it is observed that direct marketing is much more cost friendly than that of indirect marketing, because here marketers are not using any type of mass media which cost a lot as compared to the basic tactics of direct marketing. The next advantage is it increases the sales by current and lapsed customers. As I have already discussed that here marketers are personally communicate with customers, they knows the information of their ideal customers, then they send various emails and messages and offers various and provide various offers. So here they are consistently grabbing the attention of customers, due to which they can increase the sales of their product or service. The next advantage is that it improves customer loyalty, as customers believe more on the person who knows who is known to them, and they prefer to buy any product or service from them only. So the loyalty of customers automatically improves. Then the next one is it creates successful business. Because of these all advantages, that is it targets ideal customers, then it is budget friendly, then it increases the sales of product and improves customer loyalty. Ultimately it creates successful business model. So this is one of the advantages of this direct marketing. The next advantage that it can be effectively measure the sales performance. Let's understand this advantage by one example. Imagine that there is one mall which is offering particular offer to 100 customers. They send the coupon of that offer to that 100 customers. Then out of the 100 customers, 20 customers come to the mall and receive that offer. So here 20% is the success of this campaign or marketing campaign run with the use of direct marketing. So here they can easily identify the performance of marketing campaign they are implement on various numbers of customers. So these are the different advantages of direct marketing. Now let's see what are the disadvantages of direct marketing. The first one is it has limited reach. As in direct marketing, marketers are not using any mass media, so the reach of the marketing tactic or marketing campaign is limited. But still, it is observed that the rate of return on direct marketing is much more greater than that of indirect marketing, because here they are targeting limited ideal number of customers. The next disadvantage is it impacts the image of company or business who is implementing direct marketing. Due to the rise in the trend of direct marketing, there are so many businesses are sending continuously messages, emails, and making telemarketing to customer to grab their attention. And because of this, customers are getting annoyed. They consider each and every message or call used for the purpose of direct marketing as spam. So this degrades the image of the company, and customers start behaving like this is the spam or this is the best message. So they don't even feel any need to read that message or email or receive the particular call made by telemarketing. So this degrades the image and directly impacts the reputation of business. The next disadvantage is that privacy interference. Here, for setting the target customers or knowing the ideal customers, direct marketers collects the data of customers legally or illegally, which affects the privacy of the customer. So privacy interference is one of the important disadvantage. It's important because it matters a lot from the perspective of direct marketing. So privacy interference is one of the important disadvantages of direct marketing. Then it is difficult to acquire data. Many of the companies getting the data of customers in order to set them as an ideal customer is very difficult, because the companies who shares the data of the customers take huge amount of money to share this data, and it is seen that many customers don't want to share their personal information in any survey. So it's very difficult to acquire data required for direct marketing. The next limitation is environmental impact. In direct marketing, marketers uses leaflets, brochures, etc., which affect the environment, and which results in wastage of paper. So it has some impact, it has some negative impact on environment. So these are the different disadvantages of direct marketing. So from the advantages and disadvantages of direct marketing, I hope that you understand this concept of direct marketing. In the next video session, we will see the different tools applied for the purpose of direct marketing. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.